Hey everybody, so this is my 2003 Town and Country. A few weeks ago, I had a flat tire on the passenger side, and for the love of God, I couldn't take off the spare tire. So what I had to do is I had to break off this plastic clip here. Of course, it was all like this. If you can see here, this little safety little clip here. Oh, let me see if I can get a better shot. Give me a second. So if you see this little clip here, it's supposed to come out. It's even spring loaded. Let's see. All right. So it's spring loaded, and it's supposed to come out. Once it comes out, the tire will drop. So as you turn the winch here, loosen it, it's supposed to automatically drop. Well, what happened is this part just was fused to the main holder there, and it just did not come out. If you can see here a little bit, the little holders, the hooks, see how it kind of fits in there like that. And then if it's engaged, there's no way you're taking that out. Let me see if I can wiggle. No way you're taking that out. So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to have some sort of screwdriver coming up from behind and kind of pry it open like that. And then all of a sudden, this will hopefully pop out. Well, that's not what happened here. So it turns out that you cannot just buy this part that broke. This cable is kind of welded or not pressed in there. There's no way you're taking that cable off. So basically you got to get the whole thing. So now I took off the whole winch, spare tire winch mechanism off the car. I got the bolts here. 4 bolts. They're 13 millimeter. Here, let's go under the car. I'll show you what I mean. Alright, I got a little snow here. So, if you can see here, so there's a clip here. I took off the clips just to, I don't know, to get new ones, or I could put them back, no big deal. So there are clips here that go there to hold the bolts, and then there's 2 bolts that go into the frame here. Kind of rusty, so be careful when you take it out. Make sure you got you got enough grip on the bolts so you don't shear them off. You don't take off the head, then you got a bigger problem. You got to drill. It's just a big pain. And over here, this is where it's the top part. That's the cap that is on the top. So you take off the cap, and then you can use your tire iron. Oops, I gotta put that back. Use your tire iron to turn the winch. I'll put it back later. Anyway, so that's how it looks underneath. Now, and so you gotta, if you happen that you broke that thing, then you got to replace the whole thing. So hopefully this helps somebody to figure out how to take off that spare tire when you need to. Otherwise, you're gonna have to go and get another one of these. And I looked online, it's $80, but I don't know. I mean, definitely worth $80, but Maybe I'll try to get it at a junkyard or something. Anyway, that's what this is. Kind of see the mechanism there. Let's see a little closer. So this is if you're looking at it straight from underneath, and the spare would have been held on by this clip. So you can imagine a big spare tire right around here. All right. Hopefully this helps somebody.